had something rare today. Horse Briggs Day at the scrapyard. And what puts the icing on the cake is this last one here. It's a true unicorn Briggs. 6 horsepower. It's the only one I've ever seen, let alone owned. Now there's one on YouTube, but that's the only one I've ever seen. Although I think my uncle may have had one when I was growing up. His riding lawnmower might have been a 6 horse, but I'm not positive of that. Anyway, we got the real deal here. Now it's suffered some problems at the scrapyard. The gas tank's kind of collapsed there. The funny thing about that gas tank though, both ends are red, but the center's the original copper color, which I don't quite understand. And it's got this, I'm guessing, 6-to-1 gear reduction on the back end, which didn't make it any lighter to carry out of the scrapyard. But the numbers on it, I don't know if you can read them, but 14545 something, I can't read it without reading glasses. But then the date code is 69 April 14th, 1969. And of course the intake manifold's broken up here and it's broken down here. So that would either require, you know, adapting one or fixing this one or making one. But yeah, so it's had a little bit of a bash up on this side here, but nothing that couldn't be cured. I don't know, haven't tried to pull it over, see if it's seized or not, but since it's so rare, I would be tempted to get it going, even if it's met up with that country singer there, Connie Nuggets, if you know what I'm talking about. In other words, it let the conrod go. Hey, you had a little bit of movement, and then it stopped. So I'll be tearing her down to find out what's going on with that, for sure. Like I say, I thought the 3.5 horse horizontal shaft Briggs was a unicorn, and then my son started buying them and putting them on mini bikes and whatever. I guess they're a relatively common engine, just not at the scrapyard here. And I thank Super Connor for sending me one of them. We actually put it to use. So anyway, the other ones here, I got a, let's see, 1978 3 horse, 1984 3.5 horse, 1987 3.5 horse. These are all long crankshaft lawnmowers. There was another, there was a 1969, I got the starter cover off it. It was a short shaft and it was seized. Turns out that the 78's seized, the other two aren't. But they all got the, well, certainly the older ones got the full steel crankshaft in them with the machined gear and all that fun stuff. So yeah, quite a haul. But this one here, if I only gotten it, it would have definitely been worth it. Because like I say, you know, I've been going to the scrapyard here for, well, we'll call it 23 years, and this is the only 6 horse I've ever seen. So, yep, pretty good find, even though it's, you know, not 100%. Anyway, I'll just show you the zucchinis hanging up in the tree there again, swaying in the breeze. Yeah, turns out there's 11 of them up in those trees. We ate one for supper the other night. It's about half as big as those ones. But they're Sicilian zucchinis, and they've taken over my apple tree. About 80 degrees Fahrenheit today. Unusually warm for, was it 21st of September here in Ontario. So I'm just out enjoying it while I can, and it was very busy at the scrapyard today. I had to kind of fight my way to get those lawnmower engines off. It was really busy there. But anyway, everybody have a good one.